Umhlangano lo uthwayilanga lokelelisa ngamalungelo wabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka enarheni zombelele. Iintjhijilo zabantu abakhubazekileko zivezwe njengomraro omkhulu. Abantu abaphila nokukhubazeka bayilwa ngeentjhijilo ezifaka hlangana ukutlhayela kwamathuba wemisebenzi nokubekelwa ngahlanye ehlelweni lomnotho wenarha. Bathi amaziko wempilo nawo ayabhalelwa kubanikela itjhejo elifaneleko begodu neenkolo zifundisa abantu abafana nabo ziyimvela kancane.
We don't have schools around Piet-Retief. If you want a special school, you have to go Pretoria, and it's far away from us.
People with disability, number of them, they are not working. Number of them, they are not given enough opportunity to participate in businesses.
Indaba yokuqatjhwa kwabo nayo iveziwe. Ngaphambilini uhulumende bekakateleleka ukuthi aqatjhe amaphesenti athileko wabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka.
Yes, the government is doing, but they need to do more. We have, like for example, we have 2% for employment, which they are failing to achieve, and then now they are moving to 7%. The question is, are they going to achieve it if they are failing to achieve the 2%?
Isibetha mthetho sesifunda seMpumalanga sifungile ukuthi uhulumende wesifunda uzokuthathela amagadango endabeni yenithembiso zokuthuthukisa impilo yabantu abaphila nokukhubazeka.
We are holding the department to account on the resolution that have been raised by the disability people to make sure that are they implementing the resolution of this sector.
Abantu abaningi abaphila nokukhubazeka bathi nabo bafuna ukubalwa hlangana nabantu abakhamba phambili abanekusasa elingcono.